In this lecture, I'm going to go over the basic layout of the workout program. The program consists of a weight program, cardio program, nutritional program, and supplementation program. There are 3 total workouts that you are going to learn. Workout 1 will consist of your entire upper body, that being chest, back, shoulders, biceps, and triceps. You will hit 2 exercises for each body part, performing 2 sets of each exercise. Workout 2 will consist of your entire lower body, so we will be hitting your quads, hamstrings, thighs, and calves. Again, you will hit 2 exercises for each body part, performing 2 sets of each exercise. Workout 3 will tackle the upper, middle, and lower abs, as well as your obliques and core. At the end of the weight portion of each workout, you will do 10 minutes of HIIT cardio, followed by 20 minutes of steady-state cardio. I will go into detail in upcoming lectures as to what high-intensity interval training cardio is and why it's extremely effective in burning fat and boosting your metabolism. You will perform each workout twice a week. So for example, Monday you will perform workout 1, Tuesday workout 2, Wednesday workout 3, Thursday workout 1, Friday workout 2, and Saturday workout 3. Sunday will be your rest day. Each week will be divided into 2 segments. The first half of the week you will execute 8 to 12 reps of each exercise, and during the second half you will perform 15 to 20 reps of each exercise. Both abdominal days will use a 20 to 25 rep range. The reason for this is that we are working different muscle fibers with lower rep counts as opposed to different fibers with higher rep counts. The lower reps will help build mass, and the higher reps will help shape, cut, and burn fat. Rest periods are just as crucial as the exercises you are performing. When performing 8 to 12 reps, you will rest for 60 to 90 seconds. When performing 15 to 20 reps, you will rest 30 to 45 seconds to maintain an elevated heart rate throughout the entire workout. This is where a large portion of your fat loss will come from, so it's imperative to accurately time your rest with either a stopwatch or your smartphone. It doesn't matter. Ab exercises should see a rest time of 30 seconds. The downloadable workout log will have all the details on which exercises to do, including how many sets and how many reps. I want you guys to keep the following protocol across all workouts and exercises. Okay, so let's get started. Download your workout log in the next section and join me in the gym for your first workout.